Learn soldering the easy way. Stay with me until the end of the video. I've always found soldering wires or other components onto batteries to be the hardest part. That was until I discovered this. A homemade soldering paste. Watch how it makes soldering onto a battery super easy, right? Well, here's how you can make this paste at home. It's really simple and doesn't require a big investment. For just a few dollars, you'll be set for years. Let's get started. You'll need isopropyl alcohol and rosin from eBay. I always put a clean sheet of paper down to make cleanup easier. You can use small bottles, but I like to use a syringe. I draw in about 40 to 60 milliliters of alcohol, add some crushed rosin, not too finely. Give it a shake, and that's it. Let it sit for up to 24 hours, and you'll have a solution that really makes soldering easier. Thanks for watching. Follow me for more videos like this, and see you soon in the next one.